Hello, and welcome to Serenity Mastery. Today, we'll be exploring a powerful practice, transforming negative thoughts into positive affirmations. In this session, we'll dive deep into why negative thoughts affect our mindset and how you can start rewiring your inner dialogue for positivity, self-love, and growth. We all experience negative thoughts from time to time. It's a natural part of being human. But when those thoughts become persistent or overwhelming, they can hold us back from living our fullest potential. These limiting beliefs can damage our confidence, reduce our happiness, and even affect our physical health. But here's the good news: you have the power to change that. By consciously replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations, you can shift your mindset from self-doubt to self-empowerment. In today's session, I'll walk you through some common negative thoughts and show you how to reframe them into affirmations that uplift, inspire, and heal. Let's begin by getting comfortable. Whether you're sitting or lying down, make sure you're in a space where you feel relaxed and undisturbed. Close your eyes if it feels right to you, and take a deep, slow breath in and out. Let your body and mind settle. Now, let's start by acknowledging the power of your thoughts. Every thought you have is an opportunity to create the life you want. But before we dive into specific affirmations, let's first look at some of the common types of negative thoughts we all encounter. Some negative thoughts might sound like this: I'm not good enough. I always fail at what I try. Things never go my way. I don't deserve happiness. I'm stuck, and nothing will change. Do any of these resonate with you? These kinds of thoughts can sneak into your mind, often without you realizing it, and they can shape the way you see yourself and the world around you. But the important thing to understand is that these thoughts are not facts. They are just beliefs, and beliefs can be changed. When you recognize a negative thought, don't try to push it away. Instead, acknowledge it. Simply becoming aware of it is the first step to transforming it. Once you've recognized a negative thought, ask yourself, is this thought serving me? Does this thought align with the person I want to be? If the answer is no, then it's time to change it. Now, let's practice reframing these negative thoughts. I'll guide you through a few examples. If you often think, I'm not good enough, recognize that thought, and then consciously replace it with, I am enough, just as I am. If you find yourself thinking, I always fail, stop and tell yourself, every step I take brings me closer to success. I learn from every experience. Notice the shift in energy between the negative and the positive. The words you choose to tell yourself are powerful, and when you speak positive affirmations with intention, you begin to rewire your brain to think differently. Let's take another example. If you often feel like, nothing ever goes my way, turn that thought into, the universe is guiding me towards the best outcome for my growth. Changing your mindset isn't about denying challenges or pretending everything is perfect. It's about choosing a perspective that empowers you, rather than one that limits you. Now, let's move into the heart of our practice, affirmations. I'm going to share 10 positive affirmations with you. Each affirmation will be followed by a brief pause. During that pause, I encourage you to repeat the affirmation silently in your mind or out loud. Feel the truth of these words sink in. Remember, affirmations work best when they are repeated regularly, so consider returning to this practice whenever you need a mindset reset. Let's begin. I am worthy of love and respect. I am capable of achieving my goals. I release all thoughts that no longer serve me. I choose to see the good in myself and others. I am strong, resilient, and capable of overcoming challenges. I attract positive energy and experiences into my life. I am deserving of happiness and success. I trust in the process of life and know that everything is unfolding as it should. I embrace change as an opportunity for growth. I love and accept myself completely. Take a deep breath in and out. Let the positive energy of these affirmations settle into your mind and body. Know that every time you practice affirmations, you're taking steps toward transforming your mindset and unlocking your full potential. As we come to the end of our session, I want to remind you of something important. Mindset transformation takes time. You won't always catch every negative thought immediately, and that's okay. What matters is the effort you put into this practice. Each time you choose a positive affirmation over a negative thought, you're strengthening new, empowering neural pathways in your brain. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel, and eventually, positive thoughts will become your default state of mind. Keep returning to these affirmations whenever you feel overwhelmed by negativity. Allow them to guide you back to a place of peace, clarity, and self-love. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If you found this practice helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Serenity Mastery. By subscribing, you're supporting us in our mission to help more people transform their mindsets and live empowered, peaceful lives. And remember, true empowerment starts with a peaceful mind. Until next time, stay calm, stay centered, and take care of yourself.